Hey, Learn IT, Mr. P here. Got some good news. My network is now ready to go. My lab is basically complete. I did make one change. It's pretty insignificant, but I'll discuss it. I found that I had a Netgear as a newer hub router device than I had from the Linksys. This one actually has built-in Wi-Fi, so I don't have to plug in a separate Wi-Fi adapter for my Linksys to this. My Netgear has it all built in. So this is a 4-port Ethernet hub switch router, and it's air gapped. It's not hooked up to the public internet. I had a comment in a video. I'm going to give a little bit more description to that. My Raspberry Pi here is still running fine. I've done a couple of restarts, shutdowns, restarts to make sure everything's working fine. As per my own personal habits working in IT, I don't try to use things right away. I like to give them a chance to make sure everything is stable, everything's running fine, and it seems to be doing very well. I've done two things also software-wise. I didn't have to install anything, but I did check what was my IP address, which gets it from the Linksys router has its own built-in DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Gives me a valid IP address, so that's something I've recorded down on my documentation binder. And I double checked to make sure that I didn't have to install any software for the secure shell, the SSH. So I ran a command to make sure that its status is up and running. It is. I can then unplug this Raspberry Pi from the monitor. I can get into it remotely now, which is I'm going to do that, and I'll demonstrate that in another video. So my home network for less than $100 is up and running. Yeah, you can get a router, basically something like this for 25, 30 bucks. You don't have to get something expensive. This one is just salvaged from my old parts pile. Raspberry Pi, again, about $65, $70 for the kit. And the software is free. I'm running Debian, pure Debian, right off the website. And I'll show you more about that as well. So in my next video, I'll show you exactly how it is to remote into this, and I'll show you how to install some software and get going with a lot of labs and stuff like that. So like, subscribe. In your comments, please let me know what kind of things you want me to discover with this, because this will give you a real good hands-on networking, Linux type of environment, learn about cybersecurity and all those kinds of things. So have a good weekend. And then, by the way, next week, everybody have a great Christmas coming up.